What's the meaning of breadbasket? Breadbasket. Breadbasket.
Breadbasket. Breadbasket. Breadbasket is a term used to refer to a region that is known for producing large quantities of grain or other crops that are used to make bread. This can include wheat, corn, and other cereal grains. These regions often play an important role in feeding populations both locally and globally. They may also be subject to economic and political pressures due to their role in feeding the world. In some cases, the term breadbasket can also be used more broadly to describe any region that produces a significant amount of food or agricultural products.